In today's video, I am going to teach you how to launch Shopify store. To launch your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store settings, products, and online experience. Once you are signed in, you will be ready to make the final change that allows customers to access your site. From the Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then click Preferences. This section contains important settings related to how your store appears and functions for visitors. When you open Preferences, take a moment to scroll down through the page until you find the section labeled Restrict Store Access. This is the area that controls whether your store is visible to the public or hidden behind a password page. If your store is still in setup mode, Shopify may keep it restricted so only visitors with the password can enter. That is useful while you are building and testing the site, but when you are ready to officially launch, you will need to turn that restriction off. In the Restrict Store Access section, look for the checkbox that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the Password. If that box is checked, it means your store is still private. Go ahead and uncheck that box. This tells Shopify to remove the password gate so anyone can visit your storefront. After that, click Save. This is the final action that applies the change. Once the settings are saved, your store will be publicly accessible, which means customers can browse your products, explore your pages, and begin placing orders. Before you finish, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that the change worked. You can open your store in a separate browser window or an incognito tab to make sure the password page is gone and the storefront loads normally. This helps you verify that visitors will see the live version of your site without any barriers. That is the full process to launch your Shopify store using the store access settings. It is a simple update, but it is one of the most important final checks before going live. That covers everything you need to know.